What's up, guys? I am in the Acura TL, and I just installed, sorry for the mess on the radio here, I just installed the TPMS sensor, which I will link in the bottom. It is this little guy right here, and I showed you guys how to install TPMS sensors at home, but I would recommend you take it to a shop, especially because I have special tools. Anyway, so here are all the sensors. They're telling you in bars. Let's do TPMS setup. High temp alarm limit. Let's go to the default. Let's go to Fahrenheit. Let's go to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's do low press. I don't want it in bar, I want it in PSI. High pressure would be 50 for this car. Low pressure would be anything below 25. Okay, let's do 24.7. Low battery alarm and tire exchange. Okay, that's just to change the tires. So currently the back tire, as you guys can see, is the lowest tire. Everything else seems to be at the correct PSI that I left it at, which was around 41 to 42 PSI. So it's pretty accurate. This back one, on the other hand, it's low, so we're gonna have to check that. And that's it for the video. This is really all that it does. So to get the app, it should come when you plug it in. If it doesn't, I do have a code on how to do this. So you do have to download this app. If it does not come with it, it should come with it. Mine just got lost in the mail, so should come with the thing. But all you have to do is go to your files. Let's go to your files. Let's say you have your USB down here. You go to your USB, you click on the app, and it should say install. That's pretty simple. Let's go back to the TPMS. As you guys can see, the tires are currently reading weird Fahrenheits. I don't know why the back's super hot, but I don't think that is anywhere near normal, these back two wheels being cold and super hot. Usually the front wheels are the ones with the more important brakes. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.